In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and WooCommerce. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the PayPal payments for WooCommerce extension, starting right from a simple Google search and navigating through the official WooCommerce site with confidence. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type WooCommerce. You're looking for the official WooCommerce website, which should appear near the top of the results. Click through to the official site. This route is a quick, reliable way to get where you need to be without memorizing URLs. If you see ads or lookalike links, take a second to confirm you're on the genuine WooCommerce domain before proceeding. Once you're on the WooCommerce website, navigate to the Extensions section. Depending on your screen size, you might find extensions right in the main navigation menu at the top of the page. If it isn't immediately visible, open the site menu or look for a link to the Marketplace area. Extensions is the place where WooCommerce lists add-ons that expand your store's functionality. Clicking Extensions takes you into the catalog where you can search by name or category. Now, inside the Extensions area, find the search field and type PayPal payments for WooCommerce. Be precise with the wording to narrow the results effectively. If suggestions appear as you type, choose the one that matches exactly. This search helps you land on the official payment extension that integrates PayPal directly with your WooCommerce store. If you get multiple results, look for the listing that clearly references PayPal payments and verify that it's from a trustworthy source within the WooCommerce marketplace. Taking a moment to check the name and publisher helps you avoid installing a similarly named add-on that isn't the one you want. When you see the correct result, click on PayPal payments for WooCommerce to open its product page. Here, you can read the full description, review features, and check compatibility details with your version of WordPress and WooCommerce. It's also helpful to glance at recent updates, support information, and any documentation links provided. This page is your hub for understanding what the extension does and how it fits into your checkout flow before you proceed further. That's it. You've used Google to reach WooCommerce, navigated to extensions, searched for PayPal payments for WooCommerce, and opened the product page. If you keep these simple navigation habits in mind, confirming the official site, using the built-in search, and verifying the exact extension name, you'll move through the WooCommerce marketplace quickly and confidently every time.